Hey guys, I just want to say something to you today. I'm 67 years old. I live in Thailand for 15 years now. I've been married 10 years with a Thai girl and already divorced for close 4 years now, maybe five. And well, I will say what I will be if I was 30 and not 67. And if I know what I know today as a 67, what I will do things probably differently. As I learn a lot. I live in many countries, like in Europe and North America, and now in Asia. So already three different continents. And I've been married 2 times. First time I was just 20, so it was too early for sure. And second time I was 50, 55. So 55, no, 53, sorry. And so what I get back from this, about my expertise? Well, first, don't engage yourself too fast, because yes, relationship with a woman, it's a good thing. But if you're not ready for, if you're not prepared for, I mean, you can do a lot of mistake. And well, I talk for myself, of course. And second, um, honestly, today, I don't think you need to be married to be happy and to have a good life. I think what is the most important is to have good relationship with people, and especially women. But I mean, society has been changed. The rules are quite different. The situation is quite different. Sorry for the dog there. I don't know what's going on with him, but he never stopped. Anyway, Thai dog, freedom. And yeah, what I was said, it's just go on like step by step and no nothing to push. Uh, what about myself now? I live in Thailand, as I said, for 15 years. First, I come here in holiday, then I get some contact for business. I was build a sim racing cockpit, because I'm racing car driver, and then I switched to sim racing. Anyway, so 15 years ago, I find someone during holiday and touristing to cooperate with me to build this, to go on with this project. Unfortunately, he was not the right guy, and but because I have some good feelings, so I decided to go on and live in Thailand. And well, in the beginning, I did know it will be for so long, but no, I'm there. And what I have to say about this, Thailand, it's a nice place to be. And of course, that's again, it will be it better if you get prepared for that. Sorry for my English; it's far to be perfect. I think it will never be. And yeah, a nice place to be. The girls are beautiful here, but you have to know where you go with this. Again, take your time. And other things is still very cheap if I compare from Europe or North America. And another thing is the weather. Of course, it's nice weather. Sometimes I miss the 4 seasons, because this is only 2 seasons: raining season and warm season. And about freedom, I mean, it's quite a free country. Of course, as a foreigner, you have some rules to respect. The life can be good there, but if you respect people, you respect the rules, and you do some effort to understand the culture, because this is very important here in Thailand. Then you can have a good life and some good relationship. Maybe not too deep with Thai people, because it's a little bit different than us because of the culture and many other things I will not talk today. But other ways, it's not too bad. It's not too bad. And as I said, it's even more free than the life in Europe right now. And USA, I don't know. I was not in USA. I was in Canada. So, but I know in Canada it start to be more and more complicated about freedom. So there, you still have freedom. I mean, this is quite clear. You can feel it every day. And yeah, I enjoy my life here. Of course, when I divorce, I have some issue with my ex. She take my daughter with her, and in the beginning, I care my daughter, and then I asked for some help because I need time to fix something about the business. So I said, "Can you care? Can you care, Lina, for a few weeks, few months?" And well, she come, she take my daughter, and she disappear with this. This is exactly what happened. So now it's going to be 2 years and a half. I not see her, so I have no choice to go on process with a lawyer and everything. And well, it's, as a foreigner in Thailand, this is not so easy to fix. But well, still working on. So I will give you some news later on about this. But for sure, that's the not the easy part about my life here in Thailand. Otherwise, everything is fine. Where I live in a small house, 3 room, 2 bedroom. I'm alone there. I have a girlfriend now, but she's in Bangkok. We meet sometime, and it's okay. I mean, no stress with this. And the house is very cheap. Honestly, this is quite new house. Very comfortable in a small village. Not too small village, I would say a small city. It's more appropriate. And but the rent is 8,500 baht. So that's, I mean, this is very low. This is very low price, and so I have no stress about the rent, and no problem with the owner too. And it's very easy to find something here, depend on your budget, of course. But this is very low budget. You're not going to find a budget like this in Pattaya or Bangkok or a place like this. Not for a house with 3 room and 2 bedroom and some garage, and yeah, I mean, enough privacy. So this is it about today. And I just do my first video in English, and again, sorry, but it's a test for me if I can go on like this with my English. Usually I do the video in French, as I am French. And well, guys, thank you for listening. I don't know how many people will do, but just in case, you can subscribe to the channel. That will be very nice. And yeah, come back to the channel and see what's going on with myself and get more information about Thailand, my life here, and I will share more and more. So until that, ciao, and see you next time.